Hello everyone and welcome to DoubleG's Garage. Today we're going to be working on finishing up the motor for our Project 64. There it is right behind me. Again, we're starting with just a basic 1600cc stock motor, and what we're going to be doing is just freshening it up a few things, putting some new seals in it, painting up the sheet metal, new exhaust, and just some other goodies to go along with it. So stick with us and we'll show you what we're doing today. All right, so far what we've done is we've got a nice little aftermarket exhaust on there. We've also got J-tubes. We're not even going to put heater boxes on this. We're going to try to keep the cost, as low as possible and still have a nice little streetable engine. So we've done some painting to the engine. We're going to end up converting the car to 12 volts, and so we're going to be putting an alternator stands already on there. Just a good little start. And if you notice, I've got it bolted up to this chassis for my 1969 Beetle. And what we're going to do is just run the engine in. I've already cranked it up. There's another video I've got out where we've started it up. So I know the engine's good. I know it runs good. We're just going to do some freshening up and get it ready. And hopefully before too long we're going to have it in our Project 64. So getting kind of excited about getting that back on the road as quickly and inexpensively as possible. Okay, well that's it for today. We got the motor put back together and we're getting it ready to put in the 64. So that's about it. Thanks for stopping by and checking out Double G's Garage. If you like what you saw, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey, see you next time. Peace out.